Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to add Epidemic sound to CapCut. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, or the first option, go ahead over to your Epidemic Sound website or your account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the app section at the bottom left. You can just click on it and click on Windows apps or Mac OS apps, depending on your specific OS. Okay. So in here, just go ahead and download it for Windows. It's pretty easy to install. Just install it and the application will look like this. So go ahead and find Epidemic Sound onto your search bar. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead over to the top right and just log in with your Epidemic Sound account. I thought once you're in here, just basically browse through the audios right here, or you can gotta use the search bar or use Epidemic Sound's AI to get what's best for your specific video. All right, so for example, we have here comedy. You can just go ahead and click on it, select one filter, and then go ahead and click on download. If you like this music, wait for it to load. And then once it's done downloading, you can find the music under the document section. And here we should be able to see Epidemic Sound. So just double click on it, music right here, and here we have it. Okay, so what you'll do is just go ahead over to CapCut, and you can just basically drag and drop it. You can drag and drop if you don't have CapCut running as an administrator. So if you have it running as an admin, go ahead and click on import right here and find the specific folder, just like so. All right. Other once that's done, all you got to do is just drag it to your timeline, cut it however you want. And then once that's done, you're actually good to go. Export it and upload it wherever you want. Okay. The second option, by the way, is just by using the Epidemic Sound website. Okay. Got to find your music or sound effects. For example, swooshes right here, and download full track or segment. Just click on download. Wait for it. Save it wherever you want. And just like how we did it on CapCut, drag and drop or import. All right. And that is how you add Epidemic Sound to CapCut. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.